Morning. As most of you already know, we are having problems logging in. Not just you guys, but also myself. Teachers and students are having trouble with the system to log in. So your Launchpad, things like that aren't allowing us to log in. So you're not the only one. I'm also having the issue. So I'm recording this quick video so I can give you the instructions so we don't miss out on the day. Today was scheduled for your test, so make sure if you're able to log into your Google Classroom, uh, you can do so. Hopefully, you're able to get in. But if you are, you want to go into your classwork tab and you have a major check today. So you want to work on your major check 1.2. It's integer operations right here. You can click on the link and it's going to take you to a sign-in page. Okay, that sign-in page, if you remember, let me go here, looks something like this. All right. When you're signing in, remember that you have to put your student ID, your number, your lunch code, and you have to put your birth date. Remember, you use 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, 4 digits for the year, and you have to put the slashes there. Okay. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to log in. All right. So if you need instructions, the reminder is right here under where it says Aware Online Testing Instructions. You could read the instructions there, but it's pretty much the same thing that I just said here in the video. Okay, so you click on the link and then log in. Once you finish your test, once you finish your major check 1.2, you can go back into the Google Classroom if you're able to log in, and you're going to watch this video that says helpful videos prime factorization. Okay, here you'll watch this video and then you'll take those notes to add them into your journal. All right. If you have any questions, please email me. If you missed something, you can always rewind it. If I went too fast, remember you could always rewind and pause. So hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Have a good day.